अभी 5 years का था, मैं सीनियर केजी में था।
ओके।
सो सीनियर केजी में हमारी एक एग्जाम थी, और वो एग्जाम में मुझे एक पोइट्री बोलनी, ओनली मी। वो पोइट्री का नाम मुझे अभी तक याद है, और वो क्यों याद है आपको थोड़े मिनट में मालूम पड़े। हुआ यूं कि सबके सामने मुझे वो पोइट्री बोलनी थी, और मैं था छोटा बच्चा। तो मैं वो
जी।
नेचुरली आई आई स्टैमर्ड एंड आई वांटेड टू हाइड इट, और फियर था मुझ में, तो मैं वो पोट्री नहीं बोली। तो जो मेरी मेरी टीचर और जो प्रिंसिपल है, उनको उनको लगा कि आई एम समथिंग इज रॉन्ग विथ मी, मेरे वोकल्स डेवलप नहीं हुए हैं, या फिर थोड़ा मेंटली चैलेंज भी मैं हो सकता हूँ ऐसे। तो उन्होंने यही बात मेरे पेरेंट्स को बताई। मेरे पेरेंट्स ने अग्री नहीं की, और फिर लास्ट में ये हुआ बात, ये डिसाइड हुआ कि इसने पोट्री नहीं बोली है तो उसको 1 साल रिपीट करवाए। ओके,
अच्छा।
जस्ट मेरे 1 साल उन लोग ने वेस्ट करवा दिया, और
ओ।
ड्यू टू जस्ट मैंने वो पोट्री नहीं बोली इसके लिए। फिर
अच्छा
वो
अच्छा।
जो प्रिंसिपल ने मेरी मम्मी को बोला कि ना कि आपका आपका बच्चा है ना, वो इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है, वो एवरी ईयर है ना, एवरी ईयर फेल होएगा, एवरी
अच्छा।
ईयर वो फेल होएगा। आप स्कूल हम आप है ना, आप किसी और स्कूल में इसको डालिए जहाँ पे इसके जैसे बच्चे हो। ऐसे उन लोग को वो जो स्टैमरिंग क्या है वही नहीं पता।
अच्छा।
लेकिन फिर मैं उसके बाद कभी फेल नहीं हुआ। मैंने ऐसा 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 कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। दे वर रॉन्ग एक्चुअली, दे वर नॉट नोइंग व्हाट इज
यस
स्टैमरिंग, हकलाना क्या है सब। और फिर आज आज बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड आई एम अ लॉयर।
यस यस।
ऐसा।
सर पर मुझे एक डाउट था,
ये एक
जैसे
है
कि जो,
इंसिडेंट।
हाँ, आपके
हाँ।
टीचर्स थे, आपके टीचर्स जो थे वो,
हम्म,
जैसे कि आपका जो रिटेन एग्जाम हुआ करता होगा, रिटेन एग्जाम है ना, या थ्योरी
हम्म,
एग्जाम, जैसे कि कुछ भी छोटा मोटा टेस्ट
हम्म,
वेस्ट, जैसे कि 5+2 कितनी होती है,
हम्म,
2+8 कितनी होती है, ऐसे
बराबर।
करके, तो उसमें वो सब आप जब सॉल्व करते होंगे मैथ्स का थोड़ा बहुत एडिशन
हम्म,
सब्सट्रैक्शन, तो उसमें टीचर्स को तो मालूम पड़ जाता होगा ना कि आप जो है इंटेलिजेंट हो, आप जो है वीक नहीं हो।
एक्चुअली क्या है ना
तभी आज।
निखिल निखिल जी, क्या
हाँ।
है ना कि वी इंडियंस नो वी आर एवर रेडी टू जज अदर्स।
यस यस।
उन लोग ने ये सब देखा ही नहीं। और एक्चुअली जो नॉर्मल होते हैं एंड स्पेशली चैलेंज, उन लोग में एक जमीन आसमान का फर्क होता है। दो, मतलब
हम्म
मैं कुछ गलत नहीं कहना चाहूंगा, बट वन
हम्म
कैन ऑब्जर्व, उन लोग को देख के
हम्म
आपको पता चलता है कि भाई कुछ ना कुछ इशू है उनके साथ, प्रॉब्लम। सो
हम्म
हम लोग वो कैटेगरी के नहीं, वी आर
हम्म
जस्ट पीडब्ल्यूएस, वी आर वेरी मच नॉर्मल। ओके।
हम्म
सो वो लोग को वो आईक्यू ही नहीं था, वो समझ ही नहीं थी कि ऐसा है। नाइन्थ स्टैंडर्ड में एक सिंगिंग कंपटीशन में मैंने पार्ट लिया था। मैं
हम्म
अक्सर अक्सर सिंगिंग कंपटीशन में पार्ट लेता ही रहता था, बिकॉज आई लव टू सिंग। उसमें ऐसा हुआ कि आई वॉज नोइंग कि मैं वो गाने को इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं कर पाऊंगा। वो जो सॉन्ग है मैं गा पाऊंगा, लेकिन उस वो
हम्म
क्या गाने वाला हूँ ये मैं लोगों को बोल नहीं पाऊंगा, और मेरा
हम्म
नाम भी नहीं बोल पाऊंगा। उस समय जो मेरी टीचर थी ना, वो उनको मैंने बोला ये चीज कि मैडम सी आई एम सफरिंग फ्रॉम दिस स्टैमरिंग, एंड मुझे ये इशू है। आप मेरा नाम आप ही अनाउंस करना, और आप ही सबको बताना मैं क्या गाने वाला हूँ, और फिर उसके बाद मैं गाना स्टार्ट करूँ। तो वो
हम्म
टीचर इतनी एजुकेटेड होने के बावजूद भी, शास्त्रीय संगीत की टीचर थी, इतनी
हम्म
एजुकेटेड, शी वॉज अ डॉक्टर पीएचडी। उसको मैंने
हम्म
क्या बोला वो समझ में ही नहीं आया। उसको उसको स्टैमरिंग का भी समझ में नहीं आया। उसने क्या
हम्म
किया पता है, वो स्टेज पे आई, और
हम्म
ऑलवेज मेरे को नहीं मालूम पड़ता है, तुम ही बोलो, ऐसा उसने किया। फिर
अच्छा।
मैं भी एकदम अंदर से डर गया था, तो मैंने नाम भी नहीं बोला मेरा, और क्या गाने
हम्म
वाला वो भी नहीं बोला, सीधा मैंने गाना स्टार्ट किया। सो
हम्म
वी हैव नॉट गॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट फ्रॉम आवर
हम्म
टीचर्स, एल्डर्स, जिनसे हमको एक्सपेक्टेड था कि इनसे सपोर्ट मिलेगा।
जी सर।
एक है ना, एक 5% भी सपोर्ट अगर अगर हमको हमको मिलता ना, हमारे एल्डर्स और हमारे टीचर्स से, तो अभी लाइफ थोड़ी और भी डिफरेंट होती है। चलो आप और मैं वी आर डिफरेंट, हम तो काफी सुखी है, बट आपने खुद ऑब्जर्व किया होगा हमारे टीओपीजी ग्रुप में ऐसे 4
जी
से
सर।
5 है लोग जिनको एक वर्ड भी वो लोग नहीं बोल पाते ठीक से। सो ऐसे तो इनको 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 ये लोग में टैलेंट बहुत है, ऐसा नहीं कि
हाँ।
ये लोग में टैलेंट नहीं है, बट
हम्म।
वो काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट नहीं मिला है।
ओके। और सर एक एक और मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि आप टीसा के संपर्क में कैसे आए? आप मतलब कब से आप जुड़े हुए हैं टीसा से, और आप कब से इसमें अपना योगदान दे रहे हैं?
सो ये ऐसा हुआ कि 2015 ईयर था। उस समय मैंने मतलब फेसबुक पे और ऐसे मेरे को लिंक मिल गई थी टीजा की। सो मैं उनके वेबसाइट पे गया, सब मैंने देखा। तो आई गेस उस समय 2014-15 में टीजा वाज नॉट दैट सब जगह फेमस नहीं था। तो एज एन इंडियन एज एन इंडियन हमें जज करने की आदत है। सो उस समय मैंने भी जज किया और मैंने ये सोचा कि ये जो सत्येंद्र श्रीवास्तव सर है, ये जो सचिन सर है, ये सब लोग रुपया रुपया कमाने के लिए ये एनजीओ खोला है, ये सब फ्रॉड है, ये सब रियल नहीं है, ये सब भी मेरे मन में ये सब ख्याल आते। तो मैंने कुछ किया नहीं, बस सिर्फ मैंने उस समय एक्सेप्टेंस का जो है ना वो पार्ट वो मैंने रीड किया, दैट वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट वी आर स्टैमरर्स, वी शुड नॉट एक्ट एज इफ वी आर नॉट, हम जो है वो सब मैंने रीड किया। तो वो मुझे बहुत हेल्प किया। फिर बहुत साल बीत गए और अभी ये जो कोरोना आया, सो उस समय फ्री टाइम बहुत था। सो आई गेस अप्रैल 2021 का बैच था कुछ टीओपीजी का, वो मैंने ज्वाइन किया था। और आई रिमेम्बर मुझे जूम का वो लिंक पे जाने का, लिंक खोलने का, वो मैं हैबिचुएटेड नहीं था, वो मेरे लिए नया था। सो लिंक खुल ही नहीं रहा था मेरे से, कैसे जाने का, सब फॉर्म वॉर्म सब भर दिया था मैंने, उनका मेल भी आ गया था। फर्स्ट डे एट 8 AM मॉर्निंग बैच मैंने लिया था। सो मैंने वो लिंक मैंने ओपन किया फटक से, और मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा 10 मिनट्स लेट भी हो गया। सो जैसे ओपन किया तो सबसे पहले सचिन सर का फेस मुझे दिखाई दिया, और वो एकदम मतलब क्या पता क्या उनको हुआ, उन्होंने स्ट्रेट अवे मैंने चालू किया मेरा ये वीडियो, और हेलो ऑलविन, गुड मॉर्निंग, आई आई गेस यू यू वर मेकिंग टी और यू वर हैविंग टी, ऐसा उन्होंने बोल दिया। तो मैं एकदम कंफ्यूज, तो मैं इतना अटका, आधा मिनट 1 मिनट तक मैं अटकता ही रहा। और उन्होंने पेशेंसली सुना, और फिर बोला कि यहाँ पे सब अकेले हैं, डोंट हैव टू वरी। फिर मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, फिर थोड़ा सा कूल डाउन हुआ, सब बाद में फिर अच्छा रहा सब।
ओके ओके सर। ओके सर, मतलब आपने 2020 में फिर आप टीओपीजी आप ज्वाइन हुए, और फिर वहां से आपको सचिन श्रीवास्तव जी का सपोर्ट मिला, और फिर आप
हाँ,
प्रैक्टिस कर करके आप
यस
जो है
यस,
ओके ओके
डेफिनेटली।
ग्रेट। ओके
सचिन सर, सूरज सर।
ओके ओके ओके। एक एक न्यू मेंबर ऐड हुए मीटिंग में, अर्पित राजौरिया
वेरी
जी।
नाइस।
तो अर्पित जी, आप काइंडली अपना आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर सकते हो?
यस।
ओके अर्पित जी, सो क्या आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हो पहले?
ओके, हम लोग को हिंदी में बात करनी है या ये बाइलैंग्युअल है?
इट इज बाइलिंगुअल, इट इज बाइलिंगुअल।
Okay, good evening everyone. My name is Arpit Rajoria. I am from Durgapur, West Bengal. Currently, I am pursuing mechanical engineering from IIT ISM Dhanbad. About my internship experience, I have been an intern, a software intern in Folio AI Privately Limited, which is a stock prediction firm. And about my positive qualities, I have good time managerial skills. About my hobbies, I am a fitness enthusiast and I also love to play cricket. So yeah, that's all about me. Thank you.
Okay, great. Okay, Arpit ji. So kindly, can you tell me about your experiences in the past? Okay, how you used to suffer from it, and how you came to know about this organization TISA, and how you are now working on your communication skills.
Yeah, sure. So, as I already mentioned, I am currently a final year student in IIT ISM. So, when I was in my first year, I was really depressed about my stammering. Okay, I had no clue how to deal with it and what are the possible ways we can convert this negativity into some positive actions. So, I remember it was after the COVID pandemic had hit India in April 2020 when I had joined this group TISA. Actually, I was associated with a different group, that is Ankush Paresar's group, where there was a person who was a member of TISA. He introduced me to this group. So slowly, like previously when I joined the group, I just thought that it's like any other group where people are just present uh, digitally, but they don't like to interact or no one takes any adequate step. But slowly, as my journey progressed, I knew about there are different things, different activities which are performed in TISA, for example. You have got the MOOC classes, MOOC interactions. Apart from MOOC, also there are so many other possible ways which will help you to clear this stammering mindset. This difference also, that stammering is just a stammering mindset, has been taught to me by TISA itself. And I've learned one thing, that you cannot recover your stammering 100%, but you can recover your stammering mindset to a great extent. So now what I am doing, slowly, I am trying to deal with more and more uncomfortable situations. Previously, I was an escapist. I just escaped from the situations because I thought that people will mock me, and that produced a lot of fear in my mind. But now, slowly, as time progressed, I have been a bit more mature about my stammering. I know how to deal with it now, and I think I am currently on the right path, and now I try to deal with more and more situations, and hopefully this kind of attitude will help me to be of 100%, like to 100% accept my stammering. So yeah, that's my journey. Thank you.
Okay, great. Okay, Arvind ji. So as you told that you are now are much aware about this stammering. Okay, so so have you ever tried the techniques which are taught in TISA in your day-to-day communication? Okay, like there are many techniques which they teach us. Okay, like the bouncing prolongation and pausing and the block correction techniques. So what do you think about all those techniques which are being taught here?
Yeah, those techniques are specifically very helpful, and I use bouncing technique in my day-to-day communication, because bouncing technique I feel is more effective as compared to other techniques, because it helps you to accept yourself more. Other techniques, prolongation and others, they are helpful, but they don't give you the liberty to 100% accept yourself. And
Hello, Jagat. How are you?
Hi, Nikhil. I'm fine. I think that
Okay.
I think that only you and me are there in the meeting.
Yeah, because you know that because they are not very active. Okay, they are not very active. They don't join on time. Okay, and some people joined. Okay, a few minutes back, but then they exited. Okay, that's why I am not able to
Okay.
conduct a good meeting. Okay, so can you please on your video as well?
Uh, yes, Nikhil. I can open my video so that we have a good conversation.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
Nikhil.
great. Okay. So one more, I have talked to one more person. He's a very senior member. Okay, his name is Vidyut Mukhopadhyay. Okay, so he will be joining. I think I have told him to join. We should talk on Zoom through video call. Okay, like I think that if we talk on video call, then we can see each other's expression. Okay, your secondary behavior as well. Okay, what type of
Yes.
secondary behavior you show, like okay, whether you look nervous or not. Okay, uh, so so video calling conversation is better than telephonic, I guess. Okay. Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah. So I am asking you, Nikhil, are you able to clearly see my face? I think my face is now a kind of dark. So are you able to see?
Yeah. I am able to see your face very clearly. Okay. So what you were doing now?
So, so, so as so as you are seeing me that I'm talking with you right now.
Mhm. Okay. One more that okay. One more person has joined. Okay. I think it will be a good meeting now. Okay. Hello, Vidyut sir. How are you?
Yes, yes.
Hello, Bidyut sir. How are you?
I think he is not able to
Yes, yes,
listen us.
yes, yes.
Sir, can you please start your video?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Very good evening.
Okay, sir. It's nice to see you, sir. We talked many times on a telephone, but I never saw you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, there is one more person. He is also from the West Bengal. Okay, in
Yes.
this meeting. Okay, his name is Jagat. Yes, his name is Jagat. So, Jagat, can you introduce yourself to both of us?
Yes, yes. Yes,
Okay.
so first of all, I like to tell Mr. Iddu that I have talked to him so many times, and I and I haven't seen his face, and now I can see his face. Vidyut, Mr.
Yes,
Vidyut.
yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Actually, actually,
Yes, sir.
I have talked to many members of this group, and intentionally I have not saved any contact number because I want to take a new flavor. Because the stutterer, when the new phone number is coming, then they stutter. Okay, so I don't save
Yes.
any type of contact number here to get a new flavor of talking. Actually,
Yes, you are right.
Yes. Yes.
Actually,
So,
in our TISA Telegram group, I think more than 1,200 members are there, but only few are online. And out of those person who are online, they seldom join in our Telegram group. Okay, they reply, they call. Okay, only few are there. Hardly, I think 10 or 20 are there. Okay, not more than that.
yes, yes,
so
yes.
Nikhil, can I give my short introduction?
Yes, please go ahead. Yes.
Yes. So, yes. So, good evening to all of you. First of all, happy Diwali. And let me introduce myself. My name is Jagat, and I'm 20 years old, and I'm from Assam. And I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of Science in Physics, and I'm in the final year of my undergraduate. Coming to my hobbies, I like to play cricket, watching movies, traveling, etc. Apart from that, I also love to do painting, as because from my childhood I'm doing painting, and till now I'm doing painting whenever I get some free time. Also, I am very much interested to play cricket, especially when I return from my college. I used to play cricket with my friends in our locality. Apart from that, I have joined TISA 2 months back, and I talk to people on a daily basis just to practice my speaking habit and my speech technique. And I can tell you that overall it's very good experience of me after joining TISA, as because I have gained enough confidence to talk with stranger earlier. Before joining TISA, I am a kind of introvert, but in this present scenario, I am actually, I can say that I have accepted my stammering, and I am completely changed. And I have and I am experiencing stammering since past 10 years back, when I was in my 5th standard. So it's all about me, Nikhil. And Nikhil, you are not audible.
Okay, sorry. Okay, Bidyut sir, I kindly request you to give your introduction to both of us.
Sure. I am Bidyut Mukhopadhyay from West Bengal. I am a mechanical engineer, passed from Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College. And after that, I did my Masters of Engineering from Jadavpur University in West Bengal. And after that, I had joined as lecturer in a government polytechnic college in West Bengal. And I did that lectureship job for 2 years. And after that, I had switched over to my present government organization, WBPTCL, which is basically a power generating company of 5,000 megawatt capacity in West Bengal. And it has 5 thermal power stations in West Bengal. Presently, I am working as senior manager at Kolaghat Thermal Power Station. And my total job experience is about 25 years. And I have joined in this TISA Telegram group over 1 year. And my hometown is in Bankura district. And we are two brothers, one sisters. Regarding my hobbies, watching cricket matches, movies, web series, and lot of talking to various types of people in the society. And my favorite dishes is paneer masala, paneer pakada, mutton biryani, chicken chop, Mughlai parota, aloo parota, etc. So this is my brief introduction, brother.
Okay, sir, great. Okay, sir. So let's do some sort of activity. Like I think that I have remaining time of 8 minutes. Okay, so if this meeting ends, so I request you both to again join in the same link. Okay, we can continue with our some activity. Okay,
Sure.
so let's we should talk on a topic. Okay, it will be better like talking on a topic like we think and simultaneously we speak. So talking on a topic is the best way to like remove our anxiety and all. Okay, so let's take a topic. Okay, like what you like Jagat and Bijut sir, so what do you think about the present government? Okay, like Bijut sir, I want to ask you a question that which government you like? Okay, whether Bhajpa or whether the Communist Party of West Bengal, which party you like?
So actually, for me, I am not a strong supporter to any
Yes.
one party like Trinamool Congress,
Okay.
BJP, etc. Actually, I want to see that which party is doing good for the common people. Okay,
Okay.
so actually, we see that in our West Bengal TMC party leader Mamata Banerjee, when they won in West Bengal first time 2011 year, and they did the great job for 2 years only, that is 2012-13. But after that, they did not do so much great job.
Okay.
You see in our West Bengal, the employment situation is very narrow. Also, there are the job scope is very poor in West Bengal. So if you want to get job, you have to give about 25 lakhs, 20 lakhs, etc. And I think there is not fair selection here. Also, you see
Okay.
that 2 days before, when the central government has lowered the price of the petrol rupees 5 and the diesel rupees 10, but still now state government is doing not anything. So they can also lower the price rupees 10 or rupees 5, etc. But actually, uh, we are not so hopeful with with this TMC party actually. But before that, 2011, when the Left Front Party was in West Bengal, so and they was in West Bengal for 34 years, and they did actually so many things But in the rain, we get the job in the West Bengal service, and most of the 95% selection in the government job was fair at that time. But nowadays, 5% is the fair selection, and the 95% you have to pay just like 20 or 25 lakhs. So this is the status quo in West Bengal. But if you
Okay.
when you go to the central government, Narendra Modi, you see that the uh, prices of essential goods, just like everything, that pulses, poppy seed, petrol, diesel, gases becoming too high. Master oil prices in West Bengal rupees 195, but before 1 year that price was only 120 or 125. Also, they are selling so many PSU sector, banking sector, that is the LIC banking sector, public sector, HP sector, etc. So I think this is not so good for the common people. Okay, Nikhil.
Okay. Okay. So great, sir. You replied to my answer before I asked you. Okay, what good and bad things you like about our the present government? Okay, you told me before I could complete my question. Okay, that's great. So Jagat, so the same question with you is that what good and bad things, okay, what are the good and bad phases of the government according to you, Jagat?
So I actually don't get your question. So can you
So
please, repeat your
what
question once
are
again?
the good things, what are the good things and what are the wrong things, what are the good things about the government, okay, of your state, okay, of or the national, okay, or what are the bad things of your bad things of the government of your state? Okay, I just talk about it for 2 to 4 minutes. Okay. There is some network issue, I think, with Jagat. So his video has paused. Okay, okay. So I think he's left. Okay, sir. So actually, Vidyut sir, actually, I am hosting this meeting because it is a task given to me in the TOPG. Okay, like now my TOPG session are going on. Okay,
Yes,
and I have been told by the facilitators that you have to host a meeting. Okay, it is one of your core tasks of this OPG session. Okay, so it's my first, yeah, it's my first meeting which I am hosting in this TISA platform. Okay, so I was expecting more people, but only one person joined initially. That was Alvin Dave. You might be knowing about him.
yes.
Alvin Dave, he's teaching us very well about all the techniques, okay, like bouncing, prolongation, and pausing, everything. He's teaching us very well. Then one more person came and left. Okay, then I told you both to join. Okay, so that I can continue this. Okay, so how was your Diwali celebration, sir?
Actually, at present, I am in my father-in-law's house. So I am just now in my father-in-law's room, actually. So
Okay, okay.
yes, yesterday in West Bengal, I enjoyed the Diwali a great, actually. And this day, I will go to outside just after half an hour. So we have enjoyed 2 days, the great days, actually.
Okay. Great, sir. Okay, so I think less than 1 minute is showing for me in this meeting. So I think it is going to end